Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some smart, trendy, elegant daily wear collections only for you. So let me display. This one, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk cotton material with golden zari border with beautiful printed one, very smart, elegant looks, based for your office wear, very trendy one. This one, full base part. This one is full base part. Full base part is beautiful hand batik printed one, and this one pallu portions, beautiful one, highlighted batik printed with golden zari stripes pattern pallu. This one is beautiful pallu portions, and this one full base part, bright, beautiful, elegant look, soft, lightweight, comfortable, based for your office wear. This one is border portions, golden and silver zari contrast fine stripes pattern border, and full base part is batik printed one, very soft one, summer friendly. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart looks. This one also pure cotton fabric, handloom cotton with beautiful printed one, very beautiful elegant color combination, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful printed one, very trendy, smart, elegant looks. This one full base part, light yellow shade, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful printed one, very soft, comfortable, based for your office wear, daily wear, very smart look. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portion, silver zari stripes with beautiful printed pallu, very nice one, very soft, comfortable, pure cotton fabric, based for your summer wear. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, fresh, smart looks. This one also very beautiful one, pure handloom malmal cotton with printed one, very trendy, smart look, summer wear obviously, very nice and soft cotton fabric, malmal cotton, premium quality with beautiful printed one, bright, beautiful looks, based for your office wear, daily wear. This one pallu portions, beautiful printed pallu, and this one full base part, very smart, elegant looks, bright color combinations, pure handloom malmal cotton, soft one with beautiful printed, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy, smart, daily looks. This one also same material, beautiful color combinations, pure handloom malmal cotton with beautiful printed one, very elegant color combinations, bright, fresh looks, based for your office wear, summer wear, very nice one. This one full base part and this one is border portions, beautiful printed one, soft, comfortable, and this one is pallu portions, stripes pattern printed, pure handloom malmal cotton with beautiful printed one, very nice one. And this one is full base part, very comfortable one, and beautiful, bright, fresh looks. This one is full base, this one running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy, smart, elegant looks. So very beautiful one, beautiful bright color combination, same material, malmal cotton with beautiful printed one, very smart looks, pure handloom malmal cotton with beautiful smart printed one, black base. This one is black base with beautiful printed contrast color printed border, very nice one, soft, comfortable, pure handloom. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, very smart look, summer wear obviously, soft, comfortable. And this one pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes pattern printed pallu, and this one running blouse piece, printed one, cotton fabric. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy, smart, elegant looks. This one also in a very beautiful one, very smart, elegant, exclusive look, semi cotton silk with beautiful hand batik printed one, highlighted half-inch golden zari highlighted border, and full base part is beautiful hand batik printed one, very soft, comfortable, smart look. Same material today I have draped, different color only. And this one border portions, beautiful hand batik printed one, highlighted golden zari half-inch border, and full base part is beautiful printed on a very soft, comfortable, premium quality soft semi cotton silk. And this one pallu portions, fully hand batik printed one pallu with beautiful pom-pom design, very smart looks. And this one full base part, very beautiful one, soft, comfortable, smart, bright, trendy looks, based for your office wear, professional wear, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy, smart looks. This one also beautiful one, purple set, very bright color combination, same material today I have did, semi cotton with beautiful printed on batik printed, fully hand batik print, and beautiful color combinations also, fresh bright purple shade with beautiful printed one, batik printed with golden zari half-inch highlighted border with beautiful batik printed one, very smart, trendy, bright, fresh looks, and very soft, comfortable one. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful batik printed pallu, and pallu in this beautiful pom-pom design, very nice one, smart, trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is beautiful pallu part. And this one full base part, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one is full base, very nice looks, and highlighted golden zari half-inch highlighted border. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, outstanding looks. This one also in a very beautiful one, pure handloom soft silk material with beautiful weaving border design, very smart, elegant, bright looks, and beautiful color combinations also. This one in a full base part, and border portions fully temple pattern weaving design border, and very elegant color combination. This one is border portions, contrast color threaded weaving design, temple pattern weaving design border, and full base part, very smart, trendy, elegant looks, based for your office wear, daily wear, very smart one. And this one pallu portions, beautiful contrast color, fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very nice one. This one is full base, very soft, comfortable one, and very elegant color combination. This one is border portions, fine weaving border, and this one is running blouse piece, trendy, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, fully mirror work, heavy contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, outstanding, smart looks. This one also in a beautiful one, very soft, comfortable also, premium quality, pure handloom tissue cotton with jamdani weaving buta, very smart, trendy looks, and very soft, comfortable also, based for your summer wear. This one full base part, bright red, maroon red shade, golden zari highlighted border, stripes with golden zari border, and full base part is golden sign, golden tissue cotton material with beautiful jamdani weaving buta design, very smart, trendy, elegant looks, and very soft, comfortable one, pure handloom with beautiful weaving buta design, full base part, have sign also, very smart, bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and the full base part is multicolor weaving buta design. And this one pallu portions, very nice one, highlighted stripes, contrast color with beautiful jamdani weaving buta, very trendy, smart looks, fully hand weaving, have golden sign, golden tissue cotton. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, yellow shade, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk material, highlighted border, red contrast border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design. This portion is upper base part, multicolored weaving buta, very nice one, smart bright looks. This one is fresh yellow shade, contrast red border, and full upper base part is beautiful stitching pattern weaving buta design, very nice one. And this one split section, this one is split sections, beautiful stripes pattern, stitching pattern, stripes design. This one is splits, and this one is split section, and this one is upper base part. Split section is stripes and upper base part is buta weaving. And this one is plain running blouse piece, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, stripes with buta combined pallu part. Very exclusive, outstanding, smart, bright, fresh looks, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk material with beautiful multicolor stitching, weaving design, stripes with buta work. Very smart one and bright, fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton silk material with heavy weaving work, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, trendy looks. Very beautiful, bright looks, very colorful also, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk material, ikat design, very nice one, colorful ikat design, very smart, trendy looks. This one full base part is mustard yellow, and this one is border portions, beautiful contrast color ikat border, very smart, trendy look, soft, comfortable, summer friendly also, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk material. And this one pure handloom, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very bright, beautiful, fresh color combination. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color ikat patterns, stripes design pallu, soft, comfortable, smart, bright, trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton silk material, heavy self weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. This one also beautiful one, sequin work, cotton silk material, pure handloom, cotton silk, sequin stripes design, and bright color combinations, navy blue shade with beautiful jamdani weaving pallu design. This one full base part, handloom, cotton silk material with sequin stripes design, full base, very beautiful one, golden sequin weaving stripes design, golden sequin weaving design, stripes. And this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, golden zari fine heavy weaving design, pallu very trendy, smart, bright looks. And this one full base part, bright navy blue shade with sequin stripes design, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, trendy, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. And this one beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, khadi cotton silk with beautiful weaving design and bright color combinations, very nice one. This one full base part, very bright, fresh looks. This one is full base, middle portion is beautiful contrast color, fully threaded weaving design, temple work, middle portions. And this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart looks, and full middle portions is beautiful temple weaving design, very nice one. This one is pallu, and this one full base part, soft, comfortable, smart, bright, elegant looks, very demanding also, beautiful color combinations. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, smart, elegant looks, elegant daily looks. And this one also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton fabric with beautiful hand katha work, very nice one, fully hand pricked stitch design. This one is off-white base, and this one border portions is very beautiful one, highlighted contrast color with highlighted golden zari, red contrast with golden zari weaving design border, and full border portions fully hand katha work, hand pricked katha stitch design, very colorful also. And this one is base part is pure cotton fabric, pure handloom cotton with beautiful katha work floral butta, very nice one, fully hand picked stitch design, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving border and beautiful katha stitch work border, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, fully colorful hand picked katha work pallu, bright, beautiful, elegant looks, fully hand picked stitch design. This one is border and this one is pallu, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. So in a very beautiful one, black color, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful hand katha work, very bright color combinations, very nice one. This one full base part, bright black shade, and this one border portions highlighted weaving design border, mustard yellow with golden zari weaving border, and full border portions beautiful hand katha work, hand picked katha stitch design, and this one full base part, beautiful hand katha work butta, and this one is pallu part, very beautiful one, fully colorful hand picked katha stitch design pallu, soft comfortable pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful hand picked katha work, very nice and soft comfortable bright smart elegant looks. This one is weaving portions, weaving border, and this one is beautiful hand picked katha work border design. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full piece, but soft comfortable, obviously pure handloom cotton fabric. And I will suggest this cotton silk material self weaving pocket work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful bright looks. This one also same material, different work only, mustard yellow shade, pure handloom cotton fabric, weaving border, highlighted 1 inch, and beautiful hand katha work, very nice one, soft comfortable smart bright looks, and very elegant also, fully hand picked katha work. This one border portions contrast color with beautiful hand picked katha work border, and full base part is beautiful katha work butta design, floral butta, and this one is pallu portions, heavy worked, fully hand picked katha design pallu, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful hand katha stitch design, and this one full base part, very soft comfortable smart elegant looks. This one is full base part, beautiful fully hand katha work butta, and this one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, and color combinations is very beautiful one, mustard yellow shade. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. In a very beautiful one, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful printed one, very smart bright looks, bright printed one. Let me open this one. Pallu portions, very bright looks, beautiful printed, fully hand printed one, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful printed, hand printed, soft comfortable, obviously summer friendly. And this one full base part, beautiful printed one, fully hand printed, very smart elegant bright looks. This one is full base, very trendy smart one, beautiful bright color printed one, fully hand printed. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart bright looks. This is a very beautiful one, pure handloom chanderi cotton with highlighted golden zari border, and beautiful printed one, chanderi cotton with beautiful print, very smart trendy looks, green shade, parrot green shade with beautiful printed one, very trendy smart looks. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, and this one border portions highlighted half-inch golden zari border, and full border portions beautiful printed one, and this one full base part, very smart printed, and this one is pallu portions, very beautiful stripes pattern with butta pattern printed pallu, soft comfortable, obviously summer friendly, based for your office wear, daily wear, very smart looks. And this one is full base part, highlighted half-inch golden zari border, and beautiful printed and very soft comfortable smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. This one also very beautiful one, same material, chanderi cotton, highlighted half-inch golden zari border and full base part is beautiful printed one, very trendy smart looks. This one is full base pink shade, magenta pink shade with beautiful printed one, very smart trendy looks, pure handloom chanderi cotton, half-inch highlighted golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful printed one. And this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart daily looks. Full base part is printed one. And this one pallu portions, very smart looks, highlighted stripes printed with beautiful printed pallu without running blouse piece on the saree length. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, elegant looks. So very beautiful one, traditional looks, Bengal traditional taat weaving border, very nice one, bright, beautiful, fresh looks and very traditional looks also. Bengal traditional taat without running blouse piece, only saree length. This one full base part and this one is border process, contrast color with beautiful weaving taat weaving border design. And this one full base part, cotton fabric stick material with beautiful weaving buta, golden zari weaving taat buta, full base part. This one is full base, same buta pattern and contrast color taat weaving border. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful smart looks, fine stripes with buta design. Full base part is taat buta without running blouse piece, only saree length, Bengal traditional taat. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh traditional looks. This one also a beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base with beautiful printed one, very soft, comfortable, smart looks. This one baby pink base, very nice one, elegant color combinations, very sweet color. And this one is border portions, contrast color border and full base part is beautiful ikat pattern, printed one, printed ikat pattern, full base part and soft, comfortable, summer friendly. And this one pallu portions, contrast color checks pattern, box pattern pallu, fully printed one. And this one full base part, very smart, elegant, trendy looks. This one is full base part, pure handloom khadi cotton base. And this one is contrast color running blouse piece. And this one is full base, soft, comfortable, summer friendly obviously. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart daily looks. This one also very smart trendy one, premium quality pure handloom semi organza base with beautiful weaving buta design, half work, very nice one. Let me open. Half portion is plain and half portion is fully weaving buta design. This one half portion upper base part, this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, semi organza base. This portion is upper base part to pallu end, beautiful smart looks, half portion is fully work and half portion is self weaving stripes pattern. This portion is split section, self weaving fine stripes work, structure weaving design. And this one is running blouse piece and this one is a split section and this one is upper base part weaving buta design, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh looks. So pure cotton fabric, beautiful one, fine weaving border design, very smart, elegant looks. And this one premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric, khadi cotton and pink base, baby pink base, very smart, elegant looks. And this one border portions, very smart weaving design, fully hand weaving work, highlighted border, highlighted golden zari lines with beautiful fine weaving design. And this one full base part, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base, soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks and beautiful highlighted border. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very smart one. And this one pallu portions, contrast color, fine stripes pattern pallu, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, bright, fresh, elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. This one also, you know, same material, same pattern, different color only. Beautiful fine weaving border, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base with fine weaving border design. Very smart looks, summer friendly also. This one, you know, full base part. This one is fine weaving design, fully hand weaving design, highlighted border, and full base part is beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton, soft, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu portions, highlighted contrast color, fine stripes pattern pallu. Very bright, fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. Very trendy one. This one also in a very beautiful bright color combinations, blue shade bright sorry, blue shade, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material with fine golden zari, heavy work, fully weaving work border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design. Very bright, beautiful, fresh looks. This one, you know, border portions fully fine weaving design, golden zari weaving design border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta work. Very nice one, trendy, smart, bright looks. This one, you know, pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful weaving buta design pallu, and this one, you know, full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright, fresh looks, bright blue shade. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Very trendy, bright one, and handloom cotton silk material. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, golden base, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, fresh looks. Premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base, bright color, bright orange shade, silver zari border, and full base part is multicolor weaving buta design. Very smart, bright, trendy looks, demanding also. This one, you know, full base part, this one is silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving buta design. Very smart one, multicolor weaving buta design, and very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton with buta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, silver zari border, and this one, you know, pallu portions, beautiful one, contrast color, fine stripes with beautiful weaving buta design pallu. Very smart one, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base. Very trendy, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, elegant looks. This one also, you know, same material, you know, beautiful color combinations, bright one, bright black shade, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design. Very smart, trendy looks. This one is full base. Let me open. Soft, comfortable, summer friendly obviously. And this one, you know, full base part, black base. This one is silver zari border, contrast magenta pink piping, and full base part is beautiful multicolored weaving buta design, fully hand weaving buta. And this one, you know, pallu portions, contrast color stripes with beautiful weaving buta design pallu. Very smart, bright looks, based for your office wear, daily wear. Very smart one. This one, you know, full base part, bright black shade, khadi cotton base, silver zari border, and full base part is weaving buta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, trendy, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, smart, bright looks. This one also, you know, beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton fabric, pure cotton by cotton fabric with ikat pattern, full base part, texture weaving design, ikat texture pattern. This one, you know, full base part, this one is contrast color highlighted border, and full base part is beautiful texture weaving, self weaving. And this one, you know, pallu portions, contrast color, fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, very soft one, highlighted contrast color border, and full base part is beautiful ikat texture pattern. Very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. Then a very beautiful bright color combinations, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material with fine weaving border design, very smart looks. This one full base part, soft, comfortable, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material, heavy weaving border design, fully golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving design border. And this one full base part, beautiful weaving butta design, very smart, elegant, bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, soft, comfortable. And this one pallu portions, contrast color, pink shaded highlighted pallu, beautiful weaving butta stripes with beautiful weaving butta design pallu, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, smart, bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton material with beautiful fine weaving butta design, full base part, and fine quality fine silk cotton base. This one pure handloom silk cotton material, soft, comfortable. This one is border portions, golden zari highlighted border, and full border portions, beautiful weaving, contrast color threaded weaving design, butta work, border portions, and fine quality fine silk cotton material. And this one pallu portion, contrast color with beautiful fine weaving butta design pallu, very nice one, smart, elegant, bright looks, fine. And this one full base part, soft, very soft one, soft, comfortable, smart, bright, trendy looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, beautiful looks. This one also same material, same pattern, different color, only silk cotton, premium quality pure handloom fine silk cotton material, highlighted golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful weaving butta design, very smart, elegant, bright looks. This one is pink base, and this one full border portions, contrast color threaded weaving design butta, highlighted golden zari with fine weaving butta design, very soft, comfortable, smart looks. And this one pallu portion, contrast color with beautiful fine weaving butta design pallu, very highlighted one. This one is fine silk cotton material with beautiful weaving butta work, very smart, trendy one, soft, comfortable, summer friendly also. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this and for your trendy, smart looks. This one also same material, same pattern, different color only, magenta pink shade, contrast golden zari border with beautiful weaving butta design, full base part, very smart, elegant looks. This one full base part, and this one is border portions, fine weaving butta design, full border. This one is soft golden zari highlighted border with beautiful weaving butta, soft silk, fine silk cotton material. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving butta, fully hand weaving. And this one pallu portion, contrast orange shade pallu with beautiful fine weaving butta design pallu, and silk cotton, fine silk cotton material, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, golden zari border with beautiful pallu part. And I will suggest this silk material weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom soft silk material, and full base part is heavy weaving work, very smart, elegant, bright looks, best for your office wear, professional wear, very nice one. This one full base part, purple shade, and full base part is silk weaving design, full base part is work, very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart looks. Side portions also pom-pom design, very trendy, smart, elegant looks. This one is pallu in pom-pom, and side portions also pom-pom design, very elegant one. This one is full base part is heavy work, self weaving, heavy work, very nice one, trendy, smart, bright looks, very elegant looks. Purple shade with contrast color, threaded weaving design, bouquet pattern, full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, smart, bright looks. And today I have taped a beautiful saree, premium quality, pure handloom, semi cotton silk with beautiful batik printed one. Very elegant color combinations, highlighted half-inch golden saree border, and full base part is beautiful hand batik printed one. Very soft, comfortable, summer friendly also. And this one, pallu portions, beautiful hand batik printed one. Very soft one, soft semi cotton silk. Very nice one, beautiful saree with beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.